Ever found yourself wondering how to spruce up your home, but don't know where to start? It's a common dilemma, right? From choosing the perfect paint color to finding the right lawn and garden tools, home improvement can feel overwhelming. But what if we told you that having the right tools and products can turn this daunting task into a delightful experience? Yes, you heard it right. Well, worry no more. We have partnered with Lowe's to bring you exclusive discounts and savings on a wide range of home improvement products. Yes, you heard it right. We are offering you exclusive discounts on Lowe's products. From the latest appliances that will make your kitchen a culinary paradise, to grills that will bring out the barbecue master in you, and a plethora of lawn and garden tools to make your green thumb sing with joy. There's something for every home improvement enthusiast out there. Savings only available by using the link you can see in the video. We will be showcasing a new category, so keep your eyes peeled and your fingers ready to click. The savings you can bag from this offer are substantial, and they're just a click away. That's correct. All you need to do is click on the link in the YouTube description, and voila, the savings are yours. But remember, this isn't just any other offer. This is an exclusive offer, specially curated for our subscribers and friends. So, don't wait. Start clicking and start saving. Now let's dive into what you can get from this exciting offer. First up, we have the paint category. From refreshing your bedroom walls to giving your garden fence a new look, a fresh coat of paint can transform any space. Whether you're a fan of bold hues or prefer subtle shades, Lowe has got you covered. And remember, it's not just about the color. They offer a variety of finishes and types of paint, each designed for a specific purpose and surface. So, don't hold back. Let your creativity flow and give your space a personalized touch. Next, we move on to the patio category. Your patio or backyard can be a sanctuary, a place to unwind and enjoy the outdoors. From comfortable outdoor seating to beautiful patio decor, Lowe's has everything to make your outdoor space cozy and inviting. Whether you're planning a barbecue party or looking for a quiet reading nook, explore this category to find just what you need. As we shift our focus to the seasonal category, each season brings with it a unique charm, and Lowe's offers a plethora of products to help you embrace and celebrate each one. From festive holiday decorations to garden tools for spring, you'll find items that add seasonal flair to your home. And lastly, we have the outdoor living category. This is where you'll find everything you need to enjoy the great outdoors right at your home. Think grills for those summer cookouts, outdoor lighting for a magical evening ambiance, and even bird feeders to invite some feathered friends. It's all about creating an outdoor space that complements your lifestyle. With such a wide range of products, you'll definitely find what you need for your home improvement projects. So go ahead, explore these categories, and let Lowe's help you turn your home improvement visions into reality. Remember, this is an exclusive offer for you, our subscribers and friends. We are so grateful to Lowe's for this exciting opportunity. Not only does this partnership allow us to bring you exclusive deals and discounts, but it also paves the way for us to delve into a world of home improvement together, making our living spaces more vibrant, comfortable, and indeed, our own. Our gratitude extends to you, our friends, who have made this journey possible. Your enthusiasm for DIY projects, your passion for making your homes beautiful, and your unwavering support have been instrumental in forging this partnership. Now, we want to hear from you. What projects are you planning? What areas of your home are you looking to improve? Do you need a new grill for the summer? Or perhaps you're thinking about sprucing up your outdoor living space? Post your thoughts in the comments below. We are eager to hear your ideas and see how we can help you achieve your home improvement goals. Remember, every time you use the link in the tag products, not only do you get to avail of these fantastic offers, but you're also supporting your local creator. It's a win-win situation, and we couldn't be more thrilled to be part of it. Thank you for your support and happy home improving.